Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo of speakers on Xiaomi 13. And to do this, first let's find all of the speakers on this device. So first one is at the bottom, right here, that's a main speaker. Next one is right here, that's a phone call speaker. And that's basically all of them. Now to check if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that means this one does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.